How to farm dice on Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can farm dice on Monopoly Go. Now, how do you do this? The first thing to do is to open up your Monopoly Go account. And once you've opened it up, at the top right corner of the screen, you will see three horizontal lines. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed, and then in this menu you will see the option join us, which is located below board report and above settings. Just click on it. Once you clicked on it, a box will be displayed, and then you'll see all of our Monopoly Go accounts. Now I must let you know that for you to be able to farm dice on Monopoly Go, you have to join any of these accounts, either on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. But the simplest way is by joining the Discord account. Just click on Go. So once you click on Go, you'll be asked to register, accept invites, and all of that. Currently, I am a member of Monopoly Go already, so I'll just click on Never mind. As for you, you have to click on Access Invite and fill out all of the instructions and all of that. And then once you're on this page, you would see the announcements page and all of that. Just click on the menu button, which is located by the top left corner of the screen. Once you click on it, you will see um a list of options that you can do on the app. You can request for stickers here, you can get stars, you can get albums and stickers and all of that. And okay, yes, and for you to be able to find dice, for each of the announcements, just locate the dice icon on this page. You will see that the dice icon is next to the fire icon and is located, it has 391 dice. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Go ahead, verify your identity, and once you're verified, follow the on-screen instructions, and from there you'll be able to farm dice on Monopoly Go. So you just have to do this. Very simple, right? So go ahead and farm dice today. Thanks for watching.